Hi, my name is Wes, and today I'm going to take you through the steps of assigning and claiming your collision tickets. First, go to the link on screen and enter the email address you used to purchase your tickets. This will trigger an email to be sent to that address with a 24-hour link to your ticket dashboard. If this link expires, you can trigger a new one by entering your email address on the login screen again. Once you've done this, you should receive an email with a temporary link to your ticket dashboard within a few moments. If you don't see the email arrive after 1 minute, check your spam and all other inboxes for an email from tickets@collisionconf.com. Click the red Login Now button. This will take you to your ticket dashboard. To assign your tickets, click the Manage Tickets button on the My Orders tab. Once you have entered the assignee's name and email address, an email will be sent to them with a link to their own ticket dashboard to claim their ticket. While this may look very similar to your dashboard, the assignee can only claim and edit their specific ticket and cannot access the rest of the order. Only the buyer will have the access required to manage and assign the order's other tickets. Once the assignee has claimed their ticket and completed their personal information by pressing the My Profile button, the ticket assignment is complete. If you want to reassign a ticket to someone else or to the same person under a different email address, you can do this by clicking on the order in your dashboard and clicking the Reassign button beside the ticket. If you are having any difficulties, just reach out to our support team by clicking the Contact Support tab on your dashboard. You can also reach them at the email address tickets@collisionconf.com.